All right, so I'm about to close out about $62,000 worth of trades right now with this super simple option selling strategy. I want to break down what these trades are, how I got paid $62,000 in basically 1 month of doing absolutely nothing, and show you guys how you guys can do it. So what I'm doing here is selling options. A lot of people, they buy options. That's kind of like gambling. They're hoping that price goes in a direction and they're hoping that it does it fast. With me, I'm on the opposite side. So as options, there's two different sides of the market when it comes to options trading. There's the options buying and then there's the options selling. All buyers need to buy from sellers, and buyers, in order to buy from a seller, they're paying a premium just to buy this options contract. I'm gonna do a quick little high level overview of what it is. But yeah, they need to pay this premium to buy this contract from sellers. I'm the seller. So options buyers, the people you see on Instagram losing $100,000, $200,000, even if it's just $5,000, they're paying me, right? I'm allowing them to even open up the trade itself. And in turn, for doing that, I get paid a decent amount of money here. Now, realistically, these are big numbers. It's about $62,000 on the month. But realistically, I'm making anywhere between 2 to 5% on my money every single month. It is the most passive source of income that I currently have. I've kind of offloaded all of my real estate and put it into this. I still have some commercial real estate, but I've put it all into this because this, to me, I don't have to deal with tenants. I don't have to deal with employees. I don't have to deal with anything. I set this up for about 2 hours in the morning on the first of the month or one time a month. And then I just wait until 30 days passes and I collect my 2 to 5% on my money, which is super cool. So as you see here, about 62,000. I'm gonna close it out here in a second, but I want to show you guys exactly what it is that I do. So let's start with QQQ. So this is a obviously this is a ETF, right? I have individual stocks here as well, but all I'm doing is selling puts, meaning that I'm deciding that if QQQ goes down to a certain number, I will buy some QQQ. Keep in mind, I'm only doing this on stocks and ETFs that I personally want to own. So I'm getting paid just to say that I'll buy them a lot cheaper than they are right now. As you can see here, I bought the 540 puts, which means if I go to the QQQ chart, if QQQ went down to $540 per share, which is right at the bottom of this blue box, I would buy a bunch of QQQ. Now, just for me making that contract, just for me saying that I will buy some QQQ, if it goes to 540, I got paid a premium. As you see, I got paid $16,000 just to make that contract. Now, let me tell you guys why I don't care what it does. As long as it stays above the bottom of this blue box, nothing happens, and I keep this entire premium, this $16,000. Now, let's say it sells all the way down here, right? And it goes below the $540 within that 30-day span. I still keep the $16,000 and I get to purchase QQQ at a much cheaper price. I made the contract up here when QQQ was at $720 per share. So if it went all the way down to $540, I got it for much cheaper and I get paid to buy it much cheaper. And you'll see that I'm doing this across the board with all the different tickers. And obviously I made this when QQQ was at 200. I made this option or opened up this trade at $720 per share. So QQQ would have had to drop down 25% in 30 days, which is very, very unlikely. But even if it does happen, I would be happy because of the reason that I would get to purchase, like I said, QQQ much cheaper. But that was that trade right here. Now I'm doing the same thing on Tesla. I got paid $5,200 just to say that I'll buy Tesla if Tesla goes below $210. Let's look at where Tesla is right now and where it started at. So I started it when Tesla was right here at the top of this purple box right here. It was at $409 per share. I said that if Tesla goes all the way down to $210, I will buy Tesla. And that's within the next 30 days or so. That is a win-win for me again, because as long as price stays above here, I keep my entire $5,200 and nothing happens. Now, if it goes below here, I still keep my $5,200, but I also get to buy Tesla at a much cheaper price because I opened this trade when Tesla was at $412 or so. So if I got to buy it when it was 47% cheaper, all the way down at $210 per share, I'd be happy as well. So either way, it's a win-win situation for me on all of these. I did the same thing across NVIDIA as well. you'll see I got paid roughly around $13,000 on Nvidia just to say that I will buy it at $150 per share. It was up here. This is $150 per share down here. And I got paid $15,000 just to do that. Now I want to show you guys year to date. I'll show you guys exactly what we're at right now. So you'll see here, I am up year to date at $393,000 in profit. Now, this account, I just started trading on this specific account 5 months ago in February or March, the beginning of March. So this is about 5 months worth of P&L here, which is nice. You'll see here, I have about $1.5 million inside of this account right here. As I told you, I'll make anywhere between 2 to 5% of my money each month. Now, I'm not saying this to flex or nothing like that. I'm just showing you guys that I've been doing this. I've been doing this for over 3 years now. Now, I want to walk through the other trades as well for you guys so you guys can see them. But let me put this back on. Yeah, so let's walk through the other trades. So MSTR is a bit different, right? So I opened up a call, meaning that if it went above a certain amount, then I would sell my shares at that higher price. Now let me break down what that looks like. Now keep in mind, every single one of these trades I've sent out to my liquid income system members. If you don't know what that is, basically you would come out and spend a day with me one-on-one. I would teach you how to run all these plays for yourself. I'd help you set up your accounts, get your first trade started. I'd basically break down all of this, and you also get access to all of my trades. So I'll leave a link for it inside the description of this video. Keep in mind, spots are extremely limited because I just mentioned you come to me and I spend the whole day with you one-on-one, multiple days actually, one-on-one, and making sure that you understand exactly what this is so you can start implementing it for yourself. Keep in mind, this is not for people that don't have money already. As I mentioned, you make anywhere between 2 to 5% on your money every single month. If you have $100, this is not going to make you rich. If you have $10,000, this is not going to make you rich. It really starts to be fun and makes sense when you have over $100,000, and that's either in stocks or in cash itself. So just keep that in mind. If you don't have that type of capital, don't try and get inside the liquid income system because it's really not going to be worth it for you. I'll just be 100% honest. But if you have more than at least $100,000 worth of capital, I can work with you and kind of get this started for you, as I have helped multiple people at this point. But like I said, spots are very, very, very limited. And I'm not just saying that as like some type of marketing thing. Like, I have a wife and kids. I'm not spending a whole day with that many people. We cap it out to 5 people a month. 3 people are already in. So we have 2 more spots for this upcoming month. So yeah, if you want me to kind of walk you through all this so you understand how to do it for yourself and help you implement it for yourself, I'll leave a link for it inside the description of this video. But as I mentioned, this MSTR trade, when I was sending it out to the liquid income system, I explained to them this one's a little bit different. This is kind of the flip side of it. So let's go to the stock here. I hold MSTR stock, and MSTR was right here at the time that I opened up this contract at $113 per share. I said that if MSTR went all the way up to about $200 per share, I would sell all my shares. Just for me making that contract, I got paid $7,500. Now keep in mind, I'm going to keep this money regardless. If MSTR had went all the way up to $200, I would have gotten to sell my MSTR shares at $200 per share, and I would have kept the $7,500. So I would have gotten the appreciation, which is about 75%, and I would have kept the $7,500. So this right here was actually a covered call, which was super, super cool. AMD, I really like this trade. I'm an AMD fan, but I wanted to buy it a lot cheaper. In my other portfolio, I already hold some AMD. So I just wanted to build up more of my position, and I wanted to get paid to do so. And that's why I opened up, again, a cash secured put, which is if price of AMD gets to $250, I'll buy a bunch more. And just for me making that contract, I got paid around $10,000 here. But you'll look at where AMD is at right now. It started up here at 546. I wanted some a little bit down here, which is at 250. I thought we were going to have a much steeper drop to the downside, but we haven't. Next month, I think what I'm going to send out, or in a few days here when I'm about to send out my trades to the liquid income program, I think I'm going to open up some closer ones, maybe like the 430s or so. That's what I'm thinking, because I do want to build up my position on AMD. And then, like I said, I want to get paid to do so. So same concept here. If it had went below here, I would have gotten to buy it much cheaper, and I would have kept the $10,000 worth of premium. Apple, another big fan of Apple. I got paid $10,000 just to say that I'll buy some Apple at $235 per share. As you see right here, Apple is up big. I already hold Apple in my other portfolio, so I'm not mad about it. I got paid either way. I got paid from the appreciation of Apple going up, and I got paid just for saying that I would buy some more Apple here at $234 per share. So as you see, all these together, profit around $62,000. These trades have been open for about 35 days here. This one, 34 days. So I'm about to close these out actually right now. And you guys are not going to want to watch me close these out, but I'm going to close these out and just collect all my profits for the week or month. Yeah, let's go with the month. All right, so as you see, order just got filled on that. So I just collected all of the money for the QQQ trade, and I'm just going to run through and do all these, but you guys don't want to see that. But as I mentioned, if you guys want me to help you guys implement this system and start doing this for yourself, if you have over $100,000, I'll leave the link for my liquid income system in the description of this video. Like I said, you'll be able to come out to me. We'll sit down one-on-one. I'll walk you through all this. If you've never traded a single day in your life, trust me, by the time our session ends, you will understand everything and you'll be able to start implementing this, and we'll start your first trades as well for you. Then also you'll get to take all the same trades that I take. As I mentioned, I'll leave a link for it inside the description of this video. This is my favorite form of passive income. This is where I invest all my money into, just building up different portfolios. I have 2 portfolios right now that I do this on, which is super, super lucrative. I love it. I don't know. I'll see you on the next video.